I'm Dr. Aneesha Shaji from the Department of Professional Accounting and Finance. In today's session, I will be discussing an important method under costing methods and techniques, namely contract costing. We will focus on its meaning, applications, and features. Meaning of contract costing. Contract costing is also known as terminal costing. It is a variant of job costing. Under this method, each contract is treated as a separate cost unit, and a distinct contract account is opened for each contract in the books of contractor to ascertain its profit or loss. That means the profit or loss from the contract. Contract costing is generally used for large scale projects that take a long period to complete and are executed at the site of the contract. Most of the situations, the contract costing will be taking part with regard to the site where the contract is supposed to conduct. So now we can discuss in detail the applications of contract costing. That means which are the areas where we can make use of this contract costing. Contract costing is mainly applicable to industries where work is carried out on a contract basis. It is commonly used in building and construction contracts, road construction projects, bridge construction works, shipbuilding, and heavy engineering projects. These projects are usually of high value, long duration, and require detailed cost control. Now, let us discuss about the various features of contract costing. Contracts are generally large in value. Therefore, a contractor usually undertakes only a limited number of contracts at a time. That means, as it is in large size, a contractor can take maximum of 1, 2 or 3 contracts at a time. He cannot take large number of contracts like a job costing. Most contracts extend over more than one accounting period, often taking several years to complete. We can see that if you are constructing a metro, it will take years, 5 years, 7 years to complete the entire contract process. So work at site, contract work is carried out at the site of the contract and not in the factory premises. Most of the contract works are completing in the site of the contract. The contractors are not sitting inside the factory premises and completing their tasks. It will be completing on the site of the contract. Every contract is treated as a separate cost unit. So in contract accounting, cost unit is a single contract is treated as a cost unit and costs are accumulated contract wise. Separate contract account is required for each contract to determine its profit or loss. That means the profit or loss from each contract a contractor should ascertain. So for that purpose, a separate contract account is prepared for each contract. Most costs related with this contract, such as the cost of material, cost of labor, direct expenses, are directly identifiable and charged to the contract. Nearly all labor costs are direct as workers are employed specifically for a particular contract. Expenses such as electricity, insurance, supervision charges, and telephone at the site are treated as direct expenses in case of a contract costing. We also require certain subcontractors, like specialist subcontractors may be employed for specific workers such as electric fittings and welding works or for glazing works. For all these things we need specific subcontractors. Plant and equipment may be purchased or hired specifically for a contract and charged accordingly. So to conclude, contract costing is suitable costing method for large and long-term and site-based projects. It ensures effective cost control by treating each contract as a separate cost unit and helps in accurate determination of profit or loss. Therefore, contract costing plays a vital role in the construction and engineering industries under the framework of costing methods and techniques. Thank you. Thank you all.